Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. I'll be going to a museum, so let's go. Now we are heading to the museum, so we'll be walking for a few minutes, so let's see.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is
the sun is up as well. It's a nice day, sunny kind of. It might start raining in the next few hours, so let's see.
time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
This is the museum. I'm inside the museum. It's the oldest museum. There's different kind of things in there, so let's explore.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show and